Morning everyone. In today's class of business studies, I will discuss ninth principle by Henry Fayol of management. Uh, in the last videos also I was discussing 14 principles of management by Henry Fayol. So in 14 principles I have discussed 8th till 8th principle in my old videos. Next, in today's video I will discuss the ninth and very important principle of management by Henry Fayol. The name of ninth principle is principle of scalar chain. Yes, principle of scalar chain. Scalar chain means line of authority. Here line means chain means line of authority. Authority means power. I have already told. So scalar chain means line of authority or chain of superior from highest to lowest. Yes, this is the definition you have to learn. Scalar chain means line of authority or chain of superiors from highest to lowest rank. Okay, Henry Fayol insists that this chain must be followed strictly in organization. Henry Fayol says that everyone from top level, middle level to lower level must follow this chain. Every information must pass through every key of this chain. Key means every member or element of this chain. No skipping of any one key should be allowed. There must not be any skipping or miss of any particular member or element of organization. So here is the chain A, B, C, D, E, F, L, M, N, O, P. So in this figure, scalar chain principle is explained. According to scalar chain principle, if E, for example E, wants to contact O, means E is a person who wants to contact O, but O is on the very far distance, so E will have to travel very much. So according to scalar chain, if E wants to contact O, he has to move through E. It is written here, he has to move through E. E से कहाँ जाएगा? D, D से C, C से B, B से A, A से L, L से M, M से N, then finally O. So E will have to follow this path, this chain, to reach from E to O. Same is written here. If E wants to contact O, then he will have to move through E dash D dash C dash B dash A dash L dash N and then O. In this chain, if this chain is broken, then there are chances of communication gap. Yes, if you don't follow this proper chain, then there can be communication gap in organization, which are not good. But sometimes following scalar chain becomes a long process. Yes, when you are having some emergency or you are in hurry, so you are not able to follow this chain because it is a very lengthy or long process, and if some important information has to be passed, it gets delay. Yes, for any information if you want to pass, but due to this chain it will get delay. So in case of emergency, so if you are having emergency or urgent, so in case of emergency and urgent information, Henry Fayol permitted a shortcut. Yes, there is a shortcut in scalar chain. Whenever you are in hurry or you are in emergency, you can follow a shortcut in the chain which is called gangplank. Yes, this is the term you have to note down. This gangplank term is there in scalar chain. Scalar chain means chain of authority, means line of authority or rank from highest to lowest. So everyone will have to follow the same line, but due to in some cases of emergency and urgency, this process is very lengthy, scalar chain is very long, so there is a shortcut available which is called gangplank. Now we will understand the term gangplank. Here it is written, gangplank permits direct communication. It is important to note down, gangplank permits direct communication. Means in some cases when you are in hurry, you are in emergency, you are having urgency, you don't have to follow this long process of scalar chain. You can have direct communication. So gangplank permits direct communication between employees working in different positions. As position mean levels, like top, middle, lower. So lower can directly contact middle, which is not allowed in normal scalar chain. Whenever lower level wants to contact top level, it will have to follow middle level also. But in case of emergency, lower can directly contact top level, that's called gangplank. So different position means different departments or different levels in organization without following the scalar chain. For example, same, we can see the diagram again. If E wants to pass some urgent information to O, E को O तक जाना है to pass some urgent information. Previous example we saw the line E, D, C, B, A, L, M and O. But now if E wants to give some important information to O, then instead of following the long route of scalar chain, he can directly communicate with O by gangplank. Generally, workers can't directly communicate with CEO. As I already told, lower level of management cannot directly contact top level of management. But in case of emergency, workers or employees can directly contact top level, that is CEO, Chief Executive Officer. But through gangplank, it is possible. So here we can see the diagram. E can directly contact O with the help of term gangplank. So we can just have an arrow, dashed arrow, in case of emergency using gangplank. So this is the 9th principle. Today I have discussed principle of scalar chain with the term gangplank. It is very important to note down. Next principle I will discuss in tomorrow's video. Okay everyone, thank you for listening. Thanks a lot.